this video, I am going to show you how to watch local channels on your Samsung Smart TV easily and quickly. First, ensure that your Samsung Smart TV is connected to an antenna or cable service that supports local channels. If you're using an antenna, make sure it is properly connected to the TV's antenna input. Next, turn on your TV and press the Home button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to the Source option and select TV or antenna depending on your setup. Once selected, go back to the home screen and choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Broadcasting. Then choose Auto Tuning or Channel Scan. This process will scan for available local channels and add them to your channel list. After the scan is complete, you can return to the home screen and access your local channels through the TV's guide or channel list. Enjoy watching your favorite local programming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.